Hi, welcome back to Roadmap to Success. Donna Parsons here, and today we're going to start out with Exit 2A. And Exit 2A is going to have basic Windows vocabulary and what you need to know in order to get a great job in IT. So let's begin with the basics. So today we're going to be learning the taskbar, the notification area, what a charm is, the Windows Start button, icons, Action Center, and we're going to end up with files and folders. So let's begin. Right now you're looking at my Windows desktop, and when I press the Windows key on my keyboard, it's going to give me a different version of my desktop, and these guys are called charms. And Windows has created these where you could store your programs, where you can see your programs all in one area. And if you put your mouse on any of these icons, like I'm going to do, I can move these icons anywhere that I want, and I can drag and drop them anywhere that I want. So it made it a lot easier for the user to find their programs. When I press my Windows key again, it brings me back to my basic Windows desktop. On the left-hand side, you have what's called Windows icons. So these little guys that are on the desktop are called icons. The bottom left-hand corner, this is called the Windows Start menu or Start button. And if I left-click on my mouse, it brings me back to where the charms were. If I left-click again, it brings me back to the Windows desktop. If I wanted to right-click my mouse, I get another sub-menu of choices. And in future lessons, I'm going to show you what all these guys are and how to troubleshoot Windows. So if I left click, it brings me back to where I was. If I right click, I get a sub menu. So left clicking, right clicking are another skill to learn within Windows if you're going to be a help desk troubleshooter. If I come down to the bottom, that's my taskbar. So down in this area is my taskbar. Over to the right-hand side of the bottom right-hand corner, this guy is called my notification area. And within my notification area, there's some more things if you want to learn about troubleshooting. And you can see that I have a red X down the bottom right-hand corner here. And that's actually problems with my Action Center. So I created some issues within my Action Center so that I can help you understand about what troubleshooting is and to begin to troubleshoot, for example, the Action Center. So I've created some issues there. That's why it has a little red X, and we're going to get into that in the next lesson. The last thing that we're going to learn is we're going to learn about files and folders and how to create a file, how to create a folder. I have a lesson up on my my YouTube video that shows you how to create a folder and save a folder and store folders. I highly suggest you take a look at that. But what a file and folder is, it's a place where you can store and retrieve your documents, for example, so you can organize your information in your Windows and on your desktop as well. So you can organize all your documents into a folder called Documents. You can organize all of your in a file folder and name it My Resume. So creating folders is really a great skill, and showing users how to do that so that they know where their things are, so they'll be able to find them the next time, is another great IT tech skill. So stick with my channel. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for your time, and subscribe.